Hi guys, it's Megan Maria, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can create your alphabet animals book. It doesn't matter if it's not animals, whatever you want, fruits or other objects inside of Artistly. I'm going to show you guys how I did it by the help of ChatGPT, of course, and with the help of Artistly. And before we go onto my computer, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer. Hi guys, so now we are here in Artistly. So this is a short tutorial, so please watch, and if you have any question, just let me know. Okay, first you go to your dashboard, this one, right? We're gonna use this one, and then you're gonna click the AI storybook. Check the script to storybook v2, and then create a story. Okay, so from here you will write the script here of about the alphabet animals that I just created. So where did I get the script? I went to ChatGPT, and then I asked ChatGPT to generate a prompt for 26 picture book for the alphabet ABC till the letter Z. Then create one letter per page with animal illustration. It doesn't matter if you want animal or fruits or whatever objects that you want. But for my first book about alphabet, I choose animals. And for each letter, and each letter should say like A is for anything like alligator or apple, you know. Same for all pages with animals for each letter. So choose easy words, animals for toddlers, because you know, I'm teaching preschoolers. So here is what I got from ChatGPT. Give me a prompt, alphabet animal from A to Z. As you see here guys, you can screenshot while I'm not scrolling it, so you can see it. All right, now I'm gonna scroll down, and ChatGPT give me more options about prompting. So here is the format for each page. Okay, so large letter A, B, C to Z. A is for alligator, you know. And then animals used to easy words is this. You can change this one guys if you want to. It's just, I just use whatever ChatGPT gave to me. So if you have any more ideas about animals that you want to change this for you know, other animals, then it's all up to you. But my focus here is animals, so I cannot change the A for apple. Well, if you're focused on fruits or food, maybe ChatGPT can give you more vocabulary about it, but this is all for animals. So this is the animals that I got, and here is the sample style used for all pages. So for the last, here is the full generation prompt that I just need to copy and paste. I don't need to copy and paste all of this on the above. So for the last is this. So I just copy and paste the full generation prompt here. All right, then go back here, and all you're gonna do is just to paste it here. And then you're going to put the dimension here, 3 by 4 here, and then the book title is the animals alphabet, and then the author name. Okay, so just fill up all of this guys. Okay, so as you see guys, choose from the library. Since we don't have any, I don't have any animals that I wanna, you know, to choose from the library. So what I did is I clicked this one, but not this one, I've already made this. So I just choose him, you know. I just choose this boy, and then I just click like this, and then after that I click generate, and as you see guys, it's generating. So once it's generate, you will never see that boy, you will see the animals all from A to Z. So let's wait for a second guys, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. All right, there you go guys. So now you see it's generating for 26. Let's see how it looks like. I just choose the that boy as a character, and I don't know if he's the one going. See guys, now you see this one, B is for bear. He's not the one who you get into this picture, but you know, I don't know how they did that, but you know, if they're asking you to choose the character and you don't have the characters for all those letters, right, just choose anything, and that I choose that boy, and now it, you know, create this kind of pictures. You see that guys, C, D, E, and then, you know guys, if you want to tweak it, if you don't like it, you can just regenerate the design, things like that. So just play around with these guys, and I'm just showing you guys how I created those animals into alphabet instead of one character for each letter, same character, right? So I think this is more fun for the kids to do it, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just use animals. And I'm trying to make another thing for fruits or something. So this is the title of the no, sorry, for cover of the book, and you will see. So once you finish with that, guys, after all it's all processed, then what you're gonna do, okay, so while it's still processing, let's go back to the first one that I just created. All right, so here is the first one that I just created, guys. You see the cover is different from this cover, right? You see, guys. All right, so once you finish with that, guys, while waiting for this, I'm gonna make a flip book for your alphabet. So I'm going to click the script to storybook and then create a flip book. Okay, since this is not ready yet, so I'm going down here for the first one that I just created that I share on Facebook. So there you go. So here is the animal story. So once I click this one, and all of those let's see other one. Okay, so here are some of the pictures that I just created. So I just create a flip book, and here is the animals. And then if you want to put a voiceover, and then let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and front cover, choose from the library. Okay, I can use this one, or no, I forgot to put my name here. Okay, so I'm gonna use, okay, where's the other one that I just created? All right, ABC Animal Friends. There you go, guys, it's my name there. So I'm gonna use that as a front cover, and then I'm going to generate a flip book. And then as you see, guys, here it's still in progress, and while still generating, I hope you got a short an idea on how I did it. So let's wait for a second and let's see how it sounds like, how it looks like when it's, you know, already processed and ready. All right, so you can convert this into video if you want to. As you see, guys, here you can convert into video, and if you have a YouTube channel, just upload the video for your kids channel. Okay, let's see how it looks like with the sounds that I just created. Okay, so here is the cover, and here's my name, and let's play with it.
A is for alligator, B is for bear, E is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for hippo, I is for iguana.
All right, so I'm not gonna do that until the end of letter C, but I just want to show you guys that this is how you can create your alphabet using animals or other objects inside of AI Studio Storybook with this SV, which is this one. This one is Script to Storybook V2. All right, so hold on seconds, and now you can download this to your KDP manuscript, and if you want, you can convert this into video. If you want to convert this into video, just click this one and wait 4 seconds while it's still processing. Okay, so this is my short tutorial, guys. We're not gonna wait to finish the processing of how to create a video, but try to do this and play around and let me know how it looks like for you, and you can share it on our Facebook page. All right, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, click the like, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. All right, so see you next time. Bye for now.